Okay, so before you guys click away from this video, just keep in mind that this video is not some crazy epic car mod video, but this is probably the most important video that I could make right now, because today I'm going to be replacing the windshield wiper motor on my car. And the reason why I haven't been able to drive out and do stuff is because it's been raining. It has still been raining. Like, it might rain on me today while I'm trying to do this. I honestly have no idea, but I can't do anything more for the channel at this point unless I do this. So we're just gonna hop right in, I guess. All right, so I'm not certain what we're supposed to do, but I'm pretty sure the first step is to take off these arms so we can get the cowl off. So there's these little nipple cover things on the end of these bolts. So you just pull those off, and then I'm gonna get a socket and take these arms off. Okay, so we had to make a quick run to the store because I did a little research and I found out that to take these off, you have to use a special puller tool, but you can also just use a tie rod puller like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tighten this down. There we go. That sounded like it broke, but it's good. This side's easier because it's in the middle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna continue taking these screws out of here and disconnecting some of these little wire connectors so that I can get the cowl off, and then we'll proceed after that. Okay guys, so I just finished removing the cowl. So there's just like, I think there's 4 pins along the top of this, right at the top of the firewall. And then you take the cowl off, and then there's these little grommets that it just kind of pops down into. So you just take off the passenger side, because that's the one that overlaps in the middle, and then the driver's side. So now I'm going to pull the actual wiper arm assembly out of this cowl area, and hopefully it won't rain. Oh yeah, my ratchet. Oh, just takes a little finessing, that's all. Second one, down in the abyss. Got it. This little assembly should come out of here. I can disconnect the old motor, pull this out. Yep. So there's a little harness. It's just gonna unplug. Did you see that? There's water on there. There's water down in here, so that means it's not draining all the way. There's probably a plug. Oh, yeah, it's full of pollen. Look at that. So if your windshield wipers stop working, you might want to check to make sure that there's a reason why they stop working, because if your drain system gets plugged, then the wiper motor gets wet.
Submerged.
Yeah, that seems to be what happened to me. Ugh. That's disgusting. That's just fantastic. Look at that.
Lovely.
Isn't that cute? Oh, I'm gonna take care of you, Mustang. Don't you worry. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean all this. I'm not gonna show it on camera. I won't bore you with that. But I'll just get back to you when I'm ready to reinstall the new motor. Okay guys, so it's been a little bit of time. So I just finished getting all of this stuff under here cleaned out. Oh. Come on, focus for me. There we go. So all of this, I mean, you guys saw it. It was just absolutely disgusting. So I just went through with glass cleaner and a scrub brush and some rags, and I just wiped down the whole thing. And even though I could have just covered it up and left it nasty like that, something about just knowing that that's under there just bothers me. So now that it's all clean, it's just one less thing that I have to worry about on this car. I've also been letting this dry off. So I think what happened with the old motor is some water got into this and shorted it out, because this little drain down here wasn't actually draining. The motor might actually still work, maybe had it been dried off, but I'm just gonna go ahead and install the new one just so that I know that it's not the motor. So this is the motor, and it's kind of mounted on the back of this. So there's 3 bolts on the top. So there's 1 bolt here, 1 bolt up there, and then there's one that's underneath this arm. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna get to it, but I guess we'll see. All right, so I've got the whole wiper arm assembly put back together. There's just 3 of those 10mm bolts that bolt the new motor onto the back of it. So now we're just gonna head over to the car, reinstall this bad boy. Now we're gonna lower this guy back into place carefully. Yeah, there we go. I don't want to over tighten them, but they should be on there good because it's holding a contraption into place.
Hooray! Yeah, it works.
Yes.
Now you can drive in the rain.
Yeah, now I can drive in the rain. Wreck the car. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put all the cowls back into place, pop the wipers back on, and then we'll wrap this up. It hasn't actually started raining yet. I was gonna clickbait the title, be like, I changed my wiper blades in the rain, but I guess that's not gonna happen. Yes, sir. I'm gonna kill the battery just using my windshield wipers.
The next day.
Okay, so quick little vibe check for you guys. Got the windshield wipers working, and so now I need to set up an office chair in my room because I just finished editing the video and I realized that it wasn't long enough. So, I don't know if you can see this, but this chair sucks. That's okay. So we've got a new box. Oh, you guys can't even see that. So we're just gonna quickly open this up and then put it together. Got my trusty knife here. Wow. I think it's got enough space for my fat ass. Yes. Oh, it's like a bucket seat. That looks sick. I don't even know what that is. Oh, I think these are like the legs for the wheels. This thing has it all. Got some nice little armrests for my tired little arms. Okay. I'm going to sit on the floor. It'll make this a little bit easier. Whatever, dude. Why is this plastic like twice as thick as the rest of all the plastic? That's cute. This thing plugs in? It says it's a massage chair, but I didn't order a massage chair. I mean, I'm not complaining, but I just ordered a desk chair, not a massage chair. It's starting to come together. Looks pretty comfortable to me. I don't know, what do you think? That one won't tighten by hand. I don't know why. Wheels. Ah! Fantastic. Oh, is that it? Oh, they just pop in there. That's kind of cool. Ah, get in there. After all of step one, this is what we got. We got a sick little scooter board. Remember taking out kids at the shins with those in 7th grade? Those were the days. What? How does that even work? There's no screws or anything. It just goes on and then doesn't come off. Ah. First sitting test. Oh. I'm too tall for this chair. I even got the one that was advertised to have like a higher back than the other ones. But look at that. Like, this is supposed to like go around your shoulder. I'm never gonna find a desk chair that fits. If any of you know of like a better desk chair, let me know. I mean, I probably can't afford it because I spent a lot of money on this one, but all in all though, this is way more comfortable than that crappy chair. I guess I'll just have to deal with the back situation. So the cord for the massage thing isn't very long. So I don't know if this is just like a gimmick, but I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. Wow, it kind of just feels like it's tickling me. Yeah, that's dumb. But it is what it is. I guess I have a massage chair. Anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to leave a like down below. Also, consider subscribing for more car content. And be sure to click the bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and dream big.
That's good.